Hi everyone, I'm Shada and welcome back to the channel. In one of our recent videos, we explored how to automate CATIA using Python. And some of you asked a great question. Can we also generate the custom bill of materials automatically? Well, that's exactly what we're doing today. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to extract and format a full BOM directly from CATIA using PyCATIA, the Python automation library for CATIA V5. By the end of this video, you'll have your own script that creates a clean, Bootstrap-style HTML report ready to share, print, or upload to your documentation system. We're going to build a small but powerful Python script that connects to your running CATIA session, reads all the products inside your active assembly, counts repeated parts automatically, and export everything into a formatted HTML table. No more manual copy-paste from CATIA trees. It's fully automated. Step 1. Connecting to CATIA. We start by importing and initializing PyCATIA. In the previous video, we talked about the main PyCATIA modules. If you haven't seen that yet, I really recommend watching it first. From PyCATIA, import CATIA. From PyCATIA.product structure interface product document, import product document. Okay, from collections import counter, and from datetime import datetime. This connects Python to your active CATIA session and grabs the product document you currently have open. Step 2, extract product information. Next, we collect each part's part number and nomenclature or title. So now we have a full list of all components in the assembly, both unique and repeated. Step 3, we use Python counter to automatically count how many times each part appears. And here, step 4, build the HTML table. Here comes the fun part. We build a clean HTML table using Bootstrap styling. Each row of the table shows part number, title, quantity. We then loop through the counted parts and open each row. Finally, we close the table and save the files. And run all cells. Okay. Just double click it and you'll see a beautifully formatted BOM right in your browser. What you learned connects Python to CATIA using PyCATIA, read the product tree automatically, export a clean HTML BOM report, no more manual work. What next? Want to go further? You can add materials, mass, sub, assemblies, or even export to Excel, PDF. Comment below if you'd like a video on that. If this was helpful, like the video, subscribe for more CATIA Python tips. Try the script on GitHub. linked below. Thanks for watching and happy automating.